Mantle's TrueShape technology simplifies toolmaking with a three-step process that prints, shapes, and sinters precision steel components. TrueShape combines the precision of a CNC machine with the freedom of a 3D printer. TrueShape begins in Mantle software, where users upload their models and prepare their print. Mantle software automatically calculates all tool paths without requiring any specialized programming. Users then load Mantle's flowable metal paste and build plate into the printer. The paste is precisely deposited layer by layer to build up a part. Once an entire layer is printed, it is heated to dry the paste and make it firm enough for machining. After a number of layers are printed, high-speed cutting tools machine the part to increase accuracy, improve surface finish, and refine features. Machining the dried paste is significantly faster than machining traditional solid metal. These steps repeat to build and refine the entire part. In Mantle's high-temperature furnace, the part sinters and solidifies into dense steel with the accuracy, surface finish, and tool steel properties required for demanding applications. Tool-making processes that used to take weeks or months now take just days with Mantle's TrueShape technology.